Okay, now we studied the purchases journal, and next we are moving on to sales journal. Okay, so let's look at what is sales journal. Okay, when a business sells trading goods on credit, so these transactions are firstly recorded in sales journal, and when selling trading goods on credit, an invoice is issued to debtors. This document is known as the sales invoice. And a business is usually retaining a copy of the sales invoice. Okay. And the sales invoice is used as the source document for recording transactions for the sales journal. Now, අපි දැන් ගත්තොත් එහෙම මේ sales journal එක කියන එක හරියට purchases journal එකේ අනික් පැත්ත වගේ. Now, when you have a sales, there is a purchase on the other side. When you're making a sale, there is a purchase on the other side. And when you're like on a business context, okay, now then අපි retailer කෙනෙක්ට වික්කොත් එහෙම ඔය දෙ නෙමෙයි. දැන් හිතන්නකෝ එක business එකක ඉඳන් අපි හිතමු සමාන්ගේ business එකේ ඉඳන් කමල්ගේ business එකට විකුණනවා කියලා. එතකොට ඒ business එකේ දෙපැත්ත ගත්තොත් එහෙම සමාන් ඇවිල්ලා salesman කෙනෙක්, කමල් ඇවිල්ලා purchase කෙනෙක්. එතකොට ඒ දෙකට එන ජර්නල්ස් දෙපැත්ත ගැන තමයි අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න. අපි දැන් purchase journal එක ඉගෙන ගත්ත එක පැත්තකින්. එතකොට අනික් පැත්තෙන් අපි දැන් මේ බලන්නේ sales journal එක කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා. එතකොට sales journal එකත් එන්නේ මොකටද? trading goods වලට. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ goods bought for like sort of resale. හරිද? trading goods වලට තමයි එන්නේ. And then the next thing is these things are credit sales. Okay. So if it is credit sales and if it is trading goods, you firstly record them in sales journal. Okay. And similar to we had this creditors on the purchasers journal, we have debtors on sales journal. අපි purchase journal එක ගැන කතා කරද්දී අපි කිව්වා එතන ඉන්නේ creditors ලා කියලා. දැන් මෙතන ඉන්නේ කවුද? මෙතන ඉන්නේ debtors ලා. හරිද? එතකොට අපි purchase journal එක ඉගෙන ගද්දී අපි කිව්වා එතන තියෙනවා කියලා purchase invoice එකක්. Now here we have the sales invoice. Okay. And usually in sales what happens is then අපි කිව්වොත් එහෙම දැන් මේ sales invoice එක කියලා ඇත්තටම දෙන්නේ අර අපි දැකපු purchase invoice එක. හරිද? අපි දැන් මෙතෙන්දී අර අපි දැක්කේ මේ purchase invoice එක. මේ දැන් මේ දේශාන්ගේ purchase invoice එක දැම්මේ. දැන් මේකෙම copy එකක් as the sales invoice දේශාන් ළඟ තියෙනවා. දේශාන්ගේ shop එකේ එයා ළඟ මේකේ copy එකක් තියෙනවා as his sales invoice. මේක රශ්මිට purchase invoice එකව ඒ වගේම දේශාන්ට මොකක්ද මේක? දේශාන්ට එයාගේ sales invoice එක. හරිද? So now then the next thing is the sales invoice is the source documents for sales journal, and we are recording things in sales journal using the sales invoice. So sales invoice is the source document for recording transactions in the sales journal. And the prices mentioned in the invoice may also reduce by a certain percentage when selling on credit basis. This reduction is the trade discount. අපි කලිනුත් trade discount එක ගැන ඉගෙන ගත්තා. The net value after deducting the trade account is recorded in the sales journal. So similarly, when we were studying about the purchase journal also, we recorded that value after deducting the trade discount. Okay. Transactions recorded in the sales journal are posted into ledger periodically. So similar to purchase journal, මේ sales journal එකේ record කරන transactions අපි periodically usually monthly basis we are posting them into ledgers. Okay. Let's write the note. I will speak out the note. I will read out the note and then you can write it. When a business sells, the heading is sales journal. When business sells goods on credit, these transactions are initially recorded in the sales journal. Upon making a credit sale, an invoice is issued to the debtor, which is known as the sales invoice. The business keeps a copy of this invoice, serving as the source document for entering the transaction into sales journal. Sometimes the price listed on the invoice may be reduced by a certain percentage when selling on credit. This reduction is called the trade discount. The net amount after deducting the trade discount is what gets recorded in the sales journal. Transactions from the sales journal are periodically posted into ledger. So you can take 5 minutes and quickly write this. Then we will move on to a exercise. Okay, we are moving on to a sort of like exercise. Okay, let me read out the question first. Uh, the following invoices with net values are issued by Amar Singha's business, which buys and sells consumer goods. And we have a list of transactions. The sales journal for the month end 31st May 2024 can be prepared and posted to the ledgers as follows. Okay. So we have like sort of like several sales here. Okay. The good thing is they have given you the net value in the last question, like in when we were discussing about the probable questions, we told sometimes they might give you the trade discounts and stuff, and like a little bit of like complicate the context. But here they have given you the straightforward vanilla net values. Okay, so let's do this. So this is Amar Singha's business. Okay. Now, firstly, what we have to do is we have to record these things in the සේල්ස් ජර්නල්. අපි පළවෙනියටම කරන්න ඕන දේ තමයි සේල්ස් ජර්නල් එක රෙකෝඩ් කරන එක. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අපි මේ ටික respective ledger accounts වලට post කරන්නේ. Okay. Okay. Now date 2nd May 2024. Invoice number එක 35. Ratna. We have made a sale of 5,000. Okay. Then we have on 8th May 2024 36 Kumar 12,000. Then 10th May 2024 37 Ratna 8,000. Then 21st May 2024 38 Mahanam and 13,000. So we are simply recording them in the sales journal. So the important thing is you need to know the format of the sales journal. So you have the date, invoice number, buyer, total value in rupees, okay, and then the ledger page. Mahanam 13,000. Then on 23rd 05. Then we have the Indica 17,000. Twenty-fifth May. You all can also complete this with me. Okay. Then 40th. Then again solve to Mahanam. 6,000. Then 2805 41 Indica. That is 7,000. So we can add them all and see how much of sales has been made. 68,000. Then we have to credit this to sales account. Okay. We are doing this on month end. It's simple as that. So this is how we prepare the sales journal. Sales journal එක හරිම simple. අර ටිකේ තියෙන transactions ටික අරගෙන අපිට මේකට post කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. හදිස්සියවත් අපිට ඕකට පොඩ්ඩක් complicate වෙනවා. මේකේ amounts දීලා ඊට පස්සේ මේක මෙන්න මේ වගේ complicate කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේක අනිත් පැත්තටම කියන්න පුළුවන් 20 packs of photocopy papers 200 each at 10% trade discount. එහෙම වුණොත් එහෙම ඔන්න ඔයගලන් එකට calculate කරලා තමයි මෙතනට දාන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? අපි උදාහරණයක් විදිහට මෙහෙම කියමු. උදාහරණයක් විදිහට මේක question එකක් නෙවෙයි වෙන එකක්. හරිද? මේ කෑල්ල විතරක් ගමු. හරිද? මේක නම් purchase journal question එකක් නේ. අපි sales journal පැත්තෙන් බලමු. හරිද? මෙතන supply නැතුව buy කියලා තිබුණොත් එහෙම හරිද? සෙව්වන්දි PL කියන buyer-ට 65 invoice එකෙන් 20 packs photocopy papers 200 each වල වැටලා කමකින් නැතුව 10% trade discount එකකට වික්කා කියලා තියෙනවා. එහෙම වුණොත් එහෙනම් අපි මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? මෙතන දානවා date එක 6/5/2024 කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ invoice number එක 65 කියලා දානවා. buyer-ට PL විදිහට දානවා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි මේක calculate කරන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මේවා එනං අපිට මේ plain vanilla දුන්නා. දැන් මේක හදන්න ඕනේ. අපි ළඟ තියෙනවා 20 packets of photocopy papers at 200 each. Okay. And we are giving a 10% discount. 10% discount නම් අපිට අඩු කරන්න කීයද? හරිද? අපි අය කරන්නේ 90%යිනේ. So then it's 3600. So we have to manually calculate this. But in this context, what has changed is they have straight away given you the value. So that is how it could change in the examination. Okay. Okay. Shall I start posting them into respective ledger accounts? Do you want time to write this?
Give you another minute.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. දැන් මෙයාලා කවුද මේ රත්න කුමාර මහානාම ඉන්දික මෙයාලා කවුද? කලින් නම් අපිට හිටියේ purchase journal එකේ creditorsලා. දැන් මේකේ ඉන්න අපිට debtorsලා. debtorsලා කියන්නේ කෙලින්ම මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? We will be having a debit balance.
So how many ledger accounts should we need?
We need sales account. We need one for sales. Then we have Ratna as a debtor. Then we have Kumar. And then again Ratna repeated. Then Mahanama. Then Indika. Mahanama Indika. So we need altogether 5. In this 5, one is the sales ledger account. The other is for debtors account.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So shall I start drawing the ledger accounts or do you want me to stay about 1 to 2 minutes?
So 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Shall I start posting transactions to the ledgers?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's post these. Now we have recorded these transactions in the sales journal. Okay. Now let's post them to the respective ledger accounts. Now this is a sales account. Sales account is an income account. So we have to credit it. Okay. So 68,000 it is. And we put the description as debtors. Date is 31st May 2024. Okay. Then we have Ratna. Now do not draw this discount columns. For these things, do not draw this discounts column. Then we have Ratna. Ratna is a debtor of the business. Okay, then it should ideally carry a debit balance. So 2nd May 2024 sales value was 5,000. Then we have the Kumar. So we'll prepare an account for Kumar. Ratna done, then Kumar. Kumar is also a buyer of the business, so ideally a debtor. So he should carry a debit balance. So on 8th May 2024, Kumar 12,000. Then there is Ratna again. Date is 10/05. Twenty 24. Sales 8,000. Then we have Mahanama, a new debtor. Mahanama. Mahanama 13,000. Sales date is 21st May 2024. Then we have Indika, a new one. Indika 17,000. Sales 23rd/05. Then again we have Mahanama on 25th May the 10 sales 6,000. And then again we have Indika 7,000. Sales 28. මේවැදී අපි හොඳට හිතට ගන්න ඕන දේවල් තමයි what are the dates. දැන් මේ individual ledgers වලට post කරන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි ඒ transactions වුණ dates ටික. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ අපි මේකට ගත්තොත් එහෙනම් sales account එකට sales ledger account එකට අපි post කරන්නේ month end එකේදී. So likewise we need to be aware of that as well. So since we have done it, let's check it out with the answers given. For 68,000, sales 5,000 and 8,000, Kumar 12,000, Mahanama 13,000 and 6,000, then Indika's account 7,000 and 17,000 and 7,000. Okay, that's it. That's it. So with that, we can conclude the uh, sales journal exercise. So that's it.